Staycation na 5,500 pesos lang pero 5-star ang feels para sa mga naghahanap ng affordable pero serene retreat, pet-friendly villa for family trips, barkada weekends, or intimate celebrations. May na-discover kami malapit sa San Fernando, Pampanga na sobrang sulit. Welcome to Casitas by Chelle Co, just 5 minutes away from SM Pampanga and Sky Ranch Pampanga. Accessible pero peaceful. Guys, this is a 3-bedroom fully furnished private villa na perfect for anyone looking for a serene, cozy, and affordable retreat. Pet-friendly pa, so kasama ang mga fur babies. Rate starts at 5,500 per night, good for 2 packs. Then 500 per additional head na yon. Sulit na sulit. What you love about this place, fully air-conditioned spaces. Walang init. May 15 square meter private dipping pool na 3 feet to 5 feet deep. Perfect for relaxing. Unlimited Wi-Fi, Netflix-ready TV, unlimited karaoke for singers, and a grilling area for your samgyup or barbecue nights. And here's the best part, solar-powered ang villa. Eco-friendly sila, plus yung atmosphere, peaceful at exclusive talaga. Parang sarili mo yung rest house. Whether you're planning for a chill staycation, content shoot, birthday bash, or a quick Pampanga escape, this spot is a hidden gem na dapat nyo i-try. Perfect for families, barkada, even couples, or solo travelers na need ng peace and quiet. Casitas by Chelle Co. Message them now to book your staycation via Viber or WhatsApp. Follow us for more staycation finds. Like kung plano mong mag-book, comment how many kayo, and save this para sa next getaway nyo.